What's up, guys? So we are back with another mini twist tutorial. Shout out to Hotbraids for sponsoring this video. They sent me over 5 packs of the afro kinky human hair in 18 inches. So right out the bag, the hair is very soft. This is one bundle and you can just split that in half. So to prep the hair, I just start by lightly spraying the hair with water just to make it easier to stretch out and work with. Also, the link to this hair will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So when you're dealing with afro kinky hair, a little moisture goes a long way. As far as separating the hair, you will notice that it can break apart easily. So when that happens, you can simply add the hair that broke off back to the bundle and it will form back into place. So if you're looking for a long-lasting hairstyle, obviously it's great for mini twists, but it's also fantastic for afro puffs, chunky twists, or either lock extensions. So I just start off by braiding down a few times first. Once I get my natural hair back in the middle, I begin twisting. And sometimes I will feed in about 2 to 3 pieces of hair depending on the thickness and different parts of my hair. So let's get into the pros of using this hair. So first off, it's 100% human hair, which means you can treat it just like your own, washing, condition, and even light heat styling. It's very versatile and it blends perfect with natural hair, which is a huge plus. Also, another pro is how lightweight it is. Even though the texture is full, it doesn't weigh down on your natural hair. Now, the main con is that, as I mentioned earlier, the hair can break apart easily during the separating process. It's not a deal breaker, but it does require some patience. But at the end of the day, you're paying for quality, so in my opinion, it's worth it. So one tip for installing is to work in small sections. This not only helps you manage the hair better, but also ensures that each twist comes out even and neat. I am using a bit of edge control on the roots just to keep everything sleek and in place. So as you twist, you might notice the hair has a good grip, which is great because it means the twist won't slip. And this is important if you're planning to keep the style in for a few weeks. So I am doing this hairstyle on wet hair. It took me about 7 hours to complete. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this texture so far. Personally, I found that these twists are perfect for length retention because this style is so low manipulation, it really minimizes breakage. So if you're on a hair growth journey like I am, mini twists might just be your new best friend. Also, another tip to keep in mind, if your hair feels a bit dry while you're twisting, keep your fingers moisturized with a bit of your favorite hair oil while you work. This not only keeps the hair smooth, but also reduces frizz. So now I'm just going to go in with some mousse just to eliminate some frizz and add some shine back to my hair. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below with any questions and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural hair tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.